Hey everyone, this is your host Bilal, and this video is a guide for beginners who wants to start Amazon FBA business. This is a beginner's guide, so I will take you through from each and every aspect of starting an Amazon FBA business, including product hunting, finding a supplier, and product listing on Amazon. So stay tuned. First, understand what is Amazon FBA and how does it work. FBA is fulfillment by Amazon. It is a service that allows the seller to sell anywhere from the world without having to worry about order fulfillment process. You need to deliver the product to Amazon warehouse. From there, Amazon will take care of everything. Just list the product from your Amazon account, and once you receive the order, Amazon will pick up the order from its warehouse, pack the product and ship it to customer's address. It would also take care of the refund and returns from the customer. While it seems that Amazon takes care many of your business function, nonetheless there are few prerequisites to start an Amazon FBA business. So if I'm a beginner, then I would be most worried about finding a niche and a product to sell on Amazon. But let's say I have absolutely no idea what should I sell on Amazon, so I'm gonna use Jungle Scout Opportunity Finder for product hunting. You can find this option in the product research section of Jungle Scout. As you can see, there are multiple categories and quite a few filters that you can have that can help you find the best products to sell on Amazon FBA with ease. First, you need to select the region in which you want to sell, then select the niche. As here I selected baby niche. For your information, you can select more than one niche. Then select the minimum monthly units sold, as I am looking for the product that has at least 400 monthly sales. Then select the monthly sales price. So for me, the ideal average price should be in the range of $20 to $80. Niche score is basically the demand of the niche. Well, if you already select the niche, then it doesn't really matter. Now select the monthly searches, as here I am selecting minimum 1000 search volume. So I get 200 products in baby niche as per my filter preference. So if you click on any product, you can check the average unit sold history of last 12 months. So let's check another product. So this baby sofa chair has 1000 monthly units sold with average $40 price. The search volume is a bit volatile, so let's check its seasonality. Alright, so the demand of this product seems to grow from October and peaks at December. So let's check the top product to understand on what price this product has been selling. So I can see most of the product have been selling for above $40, and there is no standard product. So in this case, you just need to find a creative and unique baby sofa to outrank competition. Well, this product seems fine for me to sell at this time in Amazon FBA. Now it's time to find a supplier. So to find a supplier, there is no better place than Alibaba. Alibaba is a B2B marketplace that sells product in wholesale rate. So it's very easy to find a reliable supplier on Alibaba. You just need to check on trade assurance and verified supplier. Trade assurance is like a guarantee that cover if the product you order are not shipped on time or the product don't meet the quality standards. As you can see, there are different type of products selling on different rates on Alibaba, but there you should focus on minimum order quantity. Sometimes the price are reasonable, but the minimum order is too high that could shatter your budget. However, the quantity can be negotiated by contacting the suppliers. Here you should focus on the product that seems unique and stand out, like this product that has a teddy bear attached to a baby sofa. The best part is that the minimum order quantity is just 10 pieces, so if you order 30 pieces, it would only cost you $350. The seller reviews are excellent, so you can easily trust this supplier without any questions. Now check on Amazon to find this kind of product and to see and check on what price they have been selling. This product seems close to the product that we have seen on Alibaba, and it is listed for $40. So that means you can sell it for three times its cost. So far, this product seems perfect for me. Once you finalize the product, you can shoot an email to the supplier by clicking on Contact Supplier option. All the Alibaba suppliers are very agile and responsive and fluent in English, so you would not find it difficult to have your doubts clear. Currently, we are using Jungle Scout for product hunting, but how about if we don't have a Jungle Scout and we still want to do product hunting? So that's how you do product hunting manually for Amazon FBA. Just go to Amazon bestseller page and check the best selling item from each category separately. Here you must select a category here. So I am selecting baby category again and checking the top selling products on this category. So here are mostly diapers in the top selling list. So let's see if we find any product. Okay, so this forehead thermometer is on the list twice. So let's see its worldwide trend. Is it trending or not? So this is surely the impact of this pandemic. But it is still selling very well on Amazon, but the demand seems to getting down. So I would escape this product. Well, let's see if we keep looking for another product. And this pregnancy pillow seems different. So let's check its trend. The demand of this product is very stable, which is a sign of evergreen product. So let's check the last 5-year trend to see its stability. So if you can see the trends, the demand has been gradually rising from the last 5 years. So it is a perfect product to sell on Amazon FBA. On Amazon, it's been selling for in the range of $32 to $40. So it's time to check the cost of this product on Alibaba. Just follow the standard procedure, click on the assurance trade and verified supplier. So this supplier is providing this product as low as $2 per piece, depending on the size of order. Everything about the supplier seems legit. The other supplier is selling the almost exact same product that we saw on Amazon for the price of $5 to $12. And the best part is that there is no minimum order quantity, so you can negotiate the price if you need large quantities easily. So if you get this product for $5, you can easily list it for $30 on Amazon. But here we need to calculate the cost of Amazon FBA to check its profitability. Well, again, I am using Jungle Scout Chrome extension to estimate the net profit. Just go to the product and click on Chrome extension to check out the product Amazon FBA fees and its net profit. The FBA fees for pregnancy pillow are almost $60. Well, if you're curious about this fees, Amazon charges this fees for its services of packaging, storage, and shipment. The fee varies with the size and the dimension of the product. So it has been listed for $40. That means you will get around $24 after deducting the fees. But it will not be your complete profit. We need to deduct the cost of product. So if you get this product, let's say $8 per piece, that means you can earn $15 for each sale in profits, which is really great. Now let's talk something about listing optimization. Now you know what product you are gonna sell and from where you are gonna get it from. So it's time to understand how would you attract the customer to buy your product. First thing first, upload the high quality image of the product. That is the most essential. Images are the ultimate motivating factors to entice the customer into buying your product. Add multiple images of the variants for better visual presentation. The next important thing is product description. It works as a salesman for your product. So you need to write a detailed yet comprehensive description that highlights the feature and benefits of the products. First highlight the features and then introduce the benefits of those features, like in this post as you can see. To learn how to come up with a killer product description, I have made a detailed comprehensive guide, then do check it out in the description below. Finally, to list products on Amazon FBA, you need to create a professional account that is $39.99 per month. You just need to register yourself with your email and password. When you are registering, keep your passport, driving license and credit card near you for account verification. Once you are registered, then it is quite straightforward process. Start listing your product, ship your products to Amazon warehouse, and will Amazon take care from there. So that's all from my side. I hope you understand how you can start Amazon FBA business if you are a beginner. So if you like this video, make sure to subscribe our channel and to get more helpful videos. So I'll see you next video. Till then, goodbye.